Today on Unity Motorsports Garage, you're going to get to see the catastrophic damage that happened to Casper's 393 Windsor. Stay tuned. So the last time you seen Casper, we were taking a road trip to Tennessee to race Uncle Tony at Uncle Tony's garage in his Project Bottle Rocket. That's when things went terribly wrong. As soon as we got past the Tennessee border, number 7 connecting rod exited stage left through the oil pan. So today, I'm going to tear the top end of the motor apart for 2 reasons. One, so I can show you the damage that happened to the piston and rod. And 2, the heads on this thing are very special. They were ported by David Vizard. And so, after talking to my good buddy Eric Hester of M&E Engine Services up in Shelby, we decided to do some trading. So I wanted to keep these cylinder heads in the family, so to speak, and he's going to put these on his 393 Windsor. And since it's already a proven combo, we know that it's going to make good power on his Windsor. So let's get this thing torn apart. Well, as you can see, I got the passenger side head off, and there was really no surprises there. Everything looked like it should. Coming over here, you can see the pistons, they all look good. You can actually see where John Wilborn and myself, we tied the number 7 set of lifters up so that we could try to baby this thing down the road. That didn't work. But you can see that the lifters are still being held in place. One last thing I want to talk about. When you have a set of shaft rockers like this, and this engine is locked down, I cannot turn it even with a breaker bar. I cannot loosen these rocker arms like you normally would, for the simple fact that it's under 550 pounds of pressure. And by doing so, that could ruin the shaft or bend the shaft for the rockers. So the only real way to do this is to actually take the head loose from the block itself so that the pressure will relieve off of the valve springs. Now that you can see that the head has been pushed up off the deck of the block and the pressure is off of the springs here, I can remove the shaft rockers in order to get the push rods out so that we can get the head off. Guess this is the moment of truth. We're gonna find out what we got. Being held up on that back dowel from the headers. Well, let's see what we have here. This first look. Oh wow. See where the valves hit the piston when the connecting rod broke. Let's look at the chamber, see what we've got. Honestly, it's not as bad as what I thought. Looks like it's going to need 2 valves, but other than that, the head seems to be okay. So here's the busted up short block of the 393 Windsor that's in Casper. I'm going to get this junk out of here so that we can make way for a project mixed up boss here shortly. So this just goes to show you, even though you plan things to go right, they don't always go that way. So John Wilborn, I will have your souvenir coming to you pretty soon. So until next time, this is Andy from Unity Motorsports Garage. Catch you later.